What if you put an apple inside a perfectly isolated box and waited long enough? You'd eventually see a fresh apple again. According to the second law of thermodynamics, the apple will gradually decay as entropy increases. But statistical physics says something surprising. If you wait long enough, the particles can randomly rearrange themselves into a fresh apple again. This idea is known as the Poincaré recurrence. Of course, the particles have no memory of ever being an apple. They simply move and rearrange by pure chance. Along the way, they could just as easily form a pizza, a pear, or even a rock. An apple is just one of the almost infinitely many possible configurations. However, this only applies to a perfectly isolated system with a finite phase space. So how long would you have to wait? About 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 29 years. That's unimaginably longer than the age of the universe. So, in theory, if you could build a perfectly isolated box, had a time machine, or were immortal, you might one day witness your apple return. Otherwise, close the box and don't wait for a fresh apple.